Hey there, Fatty from Pack a Punch Traders here. Just want to make a quick midday video lesson going over a couple trades. Um, as I've been talking about, looking for multi-day bounces for all these energy plays. We got Husa with a solid move over 6.5 would be the entry. Failed to break down. You get the solid uptrend all the way to mid nines. This one I think might have been the best percent gain one. There was Indo, of course, the leader of them, going from low 30s to low 40s. That one a little disappointing. Same with IMPP, a little disappointing as well, but this is the one that I traded. Sized in slowly, average ended up being at 5. I went through some of this choppiness, but I couldn't do it any longer. Got out at 560. Quick three. No, I wouldn't say quick. It took a little bit of time. $300. Not that far off the highs, which is what I was surprised. I thought I would have left a lot more on the table. This was very choppy. All of them have been pretty choppy today. USWS was my other one. This one I did leave um, some money off the table. I did like 12 cents, 13 cents. I took it from average of 168. And then went through the grind, sold in the 190s at 192, and then pushed up a little bit higher, but not a whole ton. So these are straight out of the watch list, right? You know, I had some great calls here. What else? What else? What else? There's a few other ones right now I want to talk about. Drct and Sbfm. Um, just solid calls right now. I didn't trade them, but was looking for the failure to break down. Up nicely, gapped up big time. Lower flow on both of them. Shorts just failing to keep this down, and then volume starts coming in. It fails to break down again, confirms VWAP, and then comes back to confirm the open price. And at the time, 235 was the open price and the high. So then we got this quick perk to 250, but it blew right through it. Now solid push at 298, and looks like this thing might head even higher. Just a beautiful play. I did wish I play it and gave it some more time, but I'm glad at least I put the calls out on it. So at least someone could have profited or learned. Just see what I was seeing with shorts failing to take it lower. Volume keeps coming in, and then you just get the short covering. I usually sell too soon, so I probably would have sold this somewhere in the 260s, 270s. Probably would have missed out on another 10% or so. But yeah, that's that. Sbfm was another great call. Looking for the open price reclaim with a VWAP reclaim at 408. Here in the low fours, you get a solid 20% push going to new highs. Getting, we'll call it 5. It's right there. We'll round that up. So that was a quick 10%. Quick 10-minute, 15-minute move right here. Solid push. So just looking for the failure to break down, for shorts to take over, and the short squeeze is where essentially I'm trying to get in and profit off of. So yeah, I usually don't stay around too long. I take my quick gains. I do regret that sometimes. But here we go. B cell. Choppy move here. Decent little bounce play. Nothing spectacular. Could have got it from probably the low 290s if you're getting in on when it was reclaiming VWAP here or holding up here again, but you get just barely 10%. So that was quite disappointing with that one. But I expected that one to not really do much compared to the energy plays, which have been hot and have a lot of eyes on them. So that's a key part of it as well. Go through a couple other ones. Yeah, so a little bit disappointing. We'll see if these end up going red, hopefully, and head lower, and we might get another shot tomorrow at these to really start bouncing. But right now, it seems like shorts kind of have power still, even though they offered some solid moves this morning. Not much left to them, so that's why I started looking at other plays like Drct and Sbfm to see what else was out there. Beautiful low floats, rotating their float a shit ton of times. Um, so there's a lot of demand. Shorts fail to take this lower. You start getting these higher lows, starts reclaiming key levels that shorts probably did not think it would touch again. Um, and this, you get some probably short covering here. Some of them probably size up. And once it fails to break down, they get the confirmation it's not going to do what they want. They get some more. They start covering some more. Some more dip buyers come in, and you get a move like this. And if this thing keeps failing to break down, I do think there's probably enough shorts here looking at this to fail. That if it fails to fail and volume keeps coming in, it could really turn out to go but it's already parabolic. Like it's already up 140%. Could go higher. Definitely. We just went through the energy run. But before I start becoming useless, I feel like I'm starting to ramble. Um, I'll make another video lesson later to go over what else happens today. But for now, I just want to document some good calls from Drct, um, IMPP, USWS, Sbfm, Useg, Husa, all right out of the watch list, or I alerted them here on Twitter. So great calls here. We'll see what else there's to trade later on, but for now, I'm gonna take a break midday and come back and see what's going on in Power Hour.